Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an update on the tomato plants. Boom, and just look at that growth overnight. They just won't stop. Today we will be giving them fish fertilizer and bit bloom. Uh, Look at my amendment videos so you can be sure what you know what to buy. And you're only gonna amend this every 2 weeks. And I use this for my microbial inoculation. Also, because you want microbes, to help break down the nutrients in the soil so the plant can use them. They're useless. You don't have nothing in there breaking them down. And you see right here, I got a compost bin. I'm starting some potatoes in here. So I just wanted to give y'all an update on the garden. So that these babies is growing fine, and just a little bit love, THC, and knowledge, you can get these plants growing like anybody else. You do not have to pay the grocery store for good groceries. Like the channel, follow, subscribe, hit the bell, get new notifications when I go make these videos. And I will be keeping y'all updated on my garden because I plan on getting my pepper plants up there going and a few more things. So I just got to go up here to the farmer's market and figure out what kind of plants I want to do right here, because I have a bunch of peppers and stuff, but I want to see what they have up here. Cause I like supporting locals, local gardening. Yeah, these are going to be some beautiful plants. I'm going to have more tomatoes than I need. And I paid $3 for these 3 plants, $1 a piece. I probably won't have to buy tomatoes the rest of the year.